Hey, do you need an auto clicker? Well, in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get an auto clicker on your device. It's just crazy. As you can see, I got all the settings in here. You know, what the hell, bro? Look at this. So as you can see, I have all these settings, and it basically just gives me the auto clicker. There's some paywalls, but as you can see, guys, it has auto click, and then you just choose your points. There are tons of ads in this app, but trust me, once you get it to working, it's super cool. So as you can see, I put some pointers on the screen, and now it's going to run. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So the first step is to go to this website called Zoomods, and then type in auto clicker, and it comes up. So be sure to try it out for yourself. And of course, I didn't spell it right, but you know, that's the lifestyle we live, right? So as you can see, it says auto clicker mods. So just press on that, wait for it to download. You're going to be all set. So see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, and it is updated and everything, which is great. So as you can see, I got all the settings in here, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I don't like being someone without an auto clicker because it really helps your game. So yeah, pretty cool, right? So be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. It's updated. I have an older iPhone that still works. Yeah. So yeah, just go to Zoomods basically, and then you're going to be all set. So I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, and it is working. So yeah, pretty crazy. So I'll see you guys later. This is super unique. Most of them don't work at all, but yeah, it's super wild, bro. Oh my gosh. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys later. This is updated for you guys, so you should have no problem with it. So I'll see you later. Subscribe to the channel. Get the word out about this method, and yeah, peace out, gang.